Hello, my champions. How are you today? I hope everyone is well. Today, I am coming to you guys to make some stuffed taco shells. Did you hear me? Stuffed taco shells. Very easy recipe. Everyone will love it. I have a ground beef, a pound of it, some onions, half of a small onion. I have some Mexican blend cheese there, some jumbo shells, taco mix, and I have some salsa. I have my water boiling in the back with salt in it, and I'm going to empty my shells in. I'm going to grind up this hamburger and show you how to make this awesome dish for your family. All right, let's get to it. All right, I'm grinding up my ground beef. I just have a pound of this today. So I'm going to grind it up. And after I grind it up, I'm going to go ahead and put my onions into my ground beef. All right, I'm grinding it up, guys. As you can see, I'm not getting very much grease out of this one. It's more of an Angus lean cut I got at Kroger's. And I'm just going to go ahead and get all the red out. And then I'm going to add in the onions, okay? I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is what I got. And I'm just going to go in with my onions and put them in there. And I'm going to saute those for at least a minute or so into the ground beef. You're going to put it in there. And then you're going to add your taco pack. Okay? This is smelling amazing. Now you have enough salt in here. If you wanted to add anything, you can add like your onion powder or something, or some more cumin to this. But to me, you don't need anything when you use this package. Okay? So you just want to mix this real well into your meat, because these stuffed taco shells are going to be amazing. Okay. And after you do this, make sure it's in there well, that all your meat is incorporated into that taco sauce. Okay. And next, what you want to do after this is add your salsa. This is the one I have. Okay. So I'm going to go in with this. I had a half a jar left. You want to use at least 1 cup into 1 pound of your meat. Just go in with the salsa. My oven is preheated and ready to rock and roll. It's at 400 because you're going to have to put them into the shells and bake them. Okay? What you want to do is go ahead after this cooks for about 2 or 3 minutes into it, the salsa. Taste it and make sure it's the taste that you would like to have in your shells. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, it's tasting delicious, it's smelling delicious, and I have the Mexican style blend. Now this is the good thing about this dish. You can use cream cheese, you can use the cheese that you love the most on your tacos. But you definitely want to do this. Go in with at least a cup of cheese into a pound of your meat. And you want to put that inside your stuffed tacos. This is your meat. And you want to put some cheese in there and let it all melt down. Okay? Now guys, you see how delicious that looks? That's just salsa, your onions, and your taco pack, and your Mexican blend of cheese. Now, I'm going to get ready and stuff these babies up into the shell. Let me get that, and I'll be right back. All right, now, what you want to do next is this. You get your shells that you boiled already, and you want to stuff them with as much meat as you want. Make sure you oil your pan down or put some sauce down into the pan that you're using, okay? But we want to take our shells and stuff them. It's still a little warm here. Want to do it just like that, okay? So I'm going to do about 4 more. Put them in. Stuff it. And right next to that one. Okay? These are very easy, quick dishes to make for the family. Okay. I'm going to finish stuffing the shells and I'll be right back. This is what your stuffed taco shells should be looking like. It's so much love in this. You can't go wrong with making this dish, guys. Don't worry about how it's looking. I'm going to go in with Colby Jack on the top. Okay. And this is going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes. I'm using 400 cheesy stuffed tacos. The shells, guys, they're delicious. Make sure you get the cheese everywhere. And then you want to go in with a little dry parsley. And then I'm going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. And I'll be back. All right, guys, I forgot my sauce. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm just going to put some across it just like this. Just a little bit. And I'm going to go in and it'll be the cheesy taco stuffed shells, okay? That's what we'll have. And we're going to put this back in there for about 8 minutes. The oven is on 400. We gotta let that sauce cook in there. We gotta put cheese, so we'll call it cheesy stuffed taco shells. All right, just want to go back in with your parsley, okay? And we're gonna put that back in. Like I said, 8 to 10 minutes on this, and I'll be back. All right, guys, it stayed in there about 12 minutes. This is absolutely a great dish. Stuffed taco shells. You can use enchilada sauce. You can use like a spaghetti sauce. You can use any sauce that you desire to put on your stuffed tacos. I'm going to plate this up, and I should put it either on my community tab or you'll see it at the beginning of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these stuffed taco shells. They're absolutely amazing. You're going to love it. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Everyone have a wonderful day. Voila! Bye-bye.